first graders. All right, we're ready for day 1 in Wonders. So, how can you find your way around? I want you guys to think about that. I see a map on there. I thought about a map. I can find my way around by using a map. You might also see your parents pull out a map on their phone. Back in the day, they used to have maps on paper. This looks like a treasure map to me. Alright, we're going to talk about the word locate. Locate means to find something. So on here we have like a compass, north, east, south, west, and you can use a compass to locate something or to find something. Route. A route is the road or way to school every day. So if you come from Halstead, you take the same route from Halstead to Bentley. Alright, we're going to read a story called Me on the Map. When we're reading this, I want you guys to think of what kinds of places can be on maps. Let's make a prediction. Remember, a prediction is a smart guess. How do you think the girl in the story might use a map? Let me show you the cover. How do you think this girl right here, how do you think she will use a map? Alright, let's see if your prediction's correct. Let's read it. Are you ready? Remember, when we read, if we don't understand something, we could go back and reread the story. Good readers do that to help you answer any questions you might have. So today, as we read, we'll read it today, but then we're going to go back and reread it to answer any questions that we don't understand. Alright, you ready?
By Joan Sweeney, illustrated by Annette Cable. Published by Crown Publishers, Incorporated. This is me. This is me in my room. This is a map of my room. This is me on the map of my room. This is my house. This is a map of my house. This is my room on the map of my house. This is my street. This is a map of my street. This is my house on the map of my street. This is my town. This is a map of my town. This is my street on the map of my town. This is my state. This is a map of my state. This is my town on the map of my state. This is my country, the United States of America. This is a map of my country. This is my state on the map of my country. This is my world. It is called Earth. It looks like a giant ball. If you could unroll the world and make it flat, it would look something like this map of the world. This is my country on the map of the world. So here's how I find my special place on the map. First, I look at the map of the world and find my country. Then, I look at the map of my country and find my state. Then, I look at the map of my state and find my town. Then, I look at the map of my town and find my street. And on my street, I find my house. And in my house, I find my room. And in my room, I find me. Just think. In rooms, in houses, on streets, In towns, in countries all over the world, everybody has their own special place on the map. Just like me. Just like me on the map. The end. We hope that you enjoyed this reading of Me on the Map. Please give us a thumbs up.
Alright guys, now, on Me on the Map, where was she on the map? How did she find herself? That's right, she used a map. She figured out what state she was in, then she figured out her town, and then in her town she figured out her street, and on her street she figured out her address on her house. Very good. Alright, we will reread this again this week. Alright, how many sounds are in each word? Are you ready? Itch. How many sounds? Itch. Very good. There's 2. How many sounds in the word whale? W, A, O. 3. Good job. Whiz. W, is. How many sounds? 3. Good job. Chick. Sh, it. How many sounds? 3. Good job. How about phone? How many sounds? 3. Good job. Remember, be doing these with me. Y. W. I. How many sounds? 2. Good job. Alright, this week we're going to talk about CH, TCH, WH, and PH. These are all digraphs. So we have CH, which we already know a digraph says ch. And we know WH says w, w, w. PH says now TCH, ch. That one's kind of tricky. So we have chair. Chair starts with a CH, digraph CH. Alright, let's tap these words out. Sh, at, chat. Don't forget to be doing them with me. Sh, at, chat. Alright, let's do this one. Such. Do it with me. Such. Alright, let's do this one. Itch. Rich. Alright, you do it. Itch. Rich. Okay, this one. Chin. Alright, you do it. Chin. Alright, we're going to fill in the word. We have chick. Chick. Okay, it's a digraph CH. So C. H. I. And then we have C. Okay. Alright, now we have a whale. Whale. The digraph. W. H. A. This one's going to try to be ale. A. L. And E. Whale. Alright, we have chin. Chin. Ready? What digraph says ch? Good job. C. H. I. Alright, now we have phone. Phone. So that's a digraph. P. H. O. N. E. Good job. Alright, let's read this sentence. Remember, if you don't know it, tap it out. Chet will hitch. There's that TCH in there. Okay, if we were going to underline or circle any of the words for diagraphs, we'd circle Chet and pitch. Alright, let's do this one. Steph will catch. Okay, if we were going to circle any of the words for diagraphs, we would circle Steph because it's got PH, and we'd circle catch because it's got TCH. Alright, let's read this one. Which lunch will Mitch pick? Which lunch will Mitch pick? If I had to circle any of the words, I would circle which, I would circle lunch, I would circle Mitch, and I would circle pick. Did I circle pick? Oh, I was trying to trick you. It does have a CK, but no diagraph. We have CH in which, we have CH in lunch, and we have TCH in Mitch. Alright, let's spell these words. Let's skywrite them. Ready? Whip. W-H-I-P, whip. Whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Match. M-A-T-C-H, match. Don't forget to be skywriting them with me. Chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Let's look. We have a WH diagraph, another WH. We have a TCH, another TCH, and we have a CH. Alright, let's go to graph. G-R-A-P-H, graph. We have the PH, the F sound, graph. Shop. S-H-O-P, shop. We have an SH. Whip. W-I-T-H, whip. We have TH. Many is a sight word, many. M-A-N-Y, many. We have around. A-R-O-U-N-G, around. Alright, this sight word is around. Around. I want you guys to pause the video and talk about, can you use this word in a sentence? Around. Very good. I went around the car. Good job. This one is by. B-Y. Can you use this word in a sentence? Pause the video and use it in a sentence. Good job. I like, let's see. She was by the dog. Alright, next one. Many. Many. M-A-N-Y. Pause the video and use this word in a sentence. I have many friends. I have many friends. Alright, place. P-L-A-C-E, place. Can you use this word in a sentence? Pause the video and use it in a sentence. I like that place. Good job. Last one, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Pause the video and use it in a sentence. I went on a walk today. Good job, first graders.